I gotta make an emergency landing. I got gear plus flap plus spoilers plus reverse. I can't be stuffed anymore, LOL. Bank. Oh no, I gotta go around. I know we can always go around. LOL. Pull up weird to low.
I can't, my bro.
Ow, my gears.
Dude, it's actually my gear.
Positive rate.
We're gonna burn in. Talk to me, goose. JK.
Nice recovery.
Now let's try to land again.
400 above. Minimum 200.
Trying to do a proper butter crash.
50. 60. 40. 30. Retard.
Boater.
Stop.
Good ending. Phew. Before I end this video, because I almost got to 100 subscribers, I consider you subscribing to my channel. And sorry for not posting for a while, LOL. Thank you for supporting. Bye for now.